Oh, roll on. Let's go. Y'all, I'm gonna jump in the whip. Here we go, make your own boba at home. Sure, yeah, I don't know about that, but yeah, I'm gonna pass. He's down with Walmart. Here we go. Let the puppy. Take the puppy to work day, top of day. Alright, fuck with it. Yo, I fuck with it. We go. Hey, fuck it. I'll do a little vlog today. Yeah, by the way, I got the coconut shrimp, spicy orange chicken, and sesame rolls. Sesame seed roll, whatever they called it, man. Yeah. Hey, on the road, hey, ride along. It's now a ride along vlog. Hey, fuck it. Y'all, I'm jumping the wheel. I'm about to probably go live stream right now. I'm gonna go on this. But damn. The tanker. Jeez. Fucking tank caught on fire. Oh, that shit ain't good. Yo, tanker got caught on fire. Here we go, Ivy. Yo, by the way, real quick, over here to the left, there was a group of, I don't know how many, man. Stolen pickup, I think stolen pickup trucks, and they're stopping the freight train like some fucking Wild West Western cowboys, and start robbing that place, man.
Well, the old Wild West comes alive again as thieves move in on the trains in the Inland Empire. San Bernardino County deputies busted a group of thieves last night.
Yeah, the suspects are also accused of stealing vehicles to use as getaway cars. KCAL News reporter Michelle Geely with details on the investigation.
Victorville commuter Elias Vasquez bumped into a swarm of law enforcement officers as he made the long drive home Tuesday evening through the Cajon Pass.
Usually, you see like a few cops every once in a while, but when you count at least 8, you definitely know something's going on.
Vasquez says what he didn't know at the time was that officers had busted an auto theft ring in the West Cajon Valley. Looters, who the authorities say used stolen cars to burglarize Burlington Northern Santa Fe freight trains. A San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department spokesperson says the unnamed suspects forcibly stopped the trains just before 5 p.m. to steal merchandise. Officers say the thieves boarded a BNSF train, immobilizing it. According to authorities, they cut open locked shipping containers and tried to load cargo into the stolen vehicles.
It's just like the old Wild West. It's crazy.
Yo, the high desert ain't nuts to play with, man. Like, this shit's just bananas. It's just active as fuck, Just like everywhere throughout California, shit active. Yeah, hey, you gotta be careful. Stay on your P's and Q's. Stay on your hand on the swivel, and yeah, you'll be all right. You'll be all right. Say. Yo, Fiesta Hills. Yo, I took the wrong turn. We got the San Manuel. We got the Yamava Casino at San Manuel. Yeah. Right along. Yeah, you know what it is, California Street. 20 California. This is the hood right here, Blood Hood. There's like 3 or 4 right here, just back to back. There's Gilbert Street Bloods. I think Little Zion Bloods. They're like hella back to back right here, man. Project. Oh shit, brand new Corvette in the hood. Yo, what is that right there? Big ass mansion. I think that's what it is. Alright, we're out here by the way, Island, California. Island off a baseline. California. Let's go right along with Javi, taking you through the IE and the Empire. Look, the building, they're gonna build a store there. They got Smart Finals over here on Baseline, Church Avenue. Yo, I see a pink van.